Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we learn how to move objects with the mouse, like this. Okay, let's start. First we start with events. When we click the flag, we go to control, then we add a continuous loop, and that loop is checking if we go to changing, if mouse down, then, and then we go to motion and point towards mouse pointer. Let's try. I click here, it points up where the pointer is. I press down, go down, up, down, left, right. It works. I will remove this one and I say go to mouse pointer. Then I start. I press the mouse pointer over here and press, the cat goes there. I put it here and press, the cat goes there. I hold it down and I move the mouse and the cat go. Then I will remove this one and I put glide to mouse pointer. Let's try. It works. I will show you some more fun. Remove this and remove this, and we have if touching mouse pointer. Then we will say what's your name, then say hello. Let's try. I move around the cat, nothing happened. Accidentally touch the cat. It asks what's the name. I write Beardad and it says hello. We can have a lot of fun with this, but this will be up to you to explore. This is all for today. I hope you had a good time and I'll see you next time.